Hello, my name is Tony Lau and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover the most dangerous sha, aka negative energy in the Feng Shui world, and that is construction. That includes landscaping, infrastructure construction, and building construction. Basically anything that disturbs the ground. Leaving it alone will bring all sorts of negative things in your life, from wealth impact to affecting a relationship, causing illness and injury. Worse would be death. Before we begin, hit the like button for some good luck today. It will greatly help with the channel, the YouTube algorithm. I almost hit the pothole the other day, but hitting the like button helped me avoid it. Here in the state of Utah, for example, we're famous for road construction everywhere. How do we identify which one affects us and which one will not? First, we review the route that we take in our everyday life. Are there any new construction that pop up recently? Is there one within a mile radius of your home or your work? Do you drive past a construction site every day when you go to work or go outside on your regular trips? If the answer is yes to any of those questions, then you have a problem. Before we try to place set to notify the problem, we always check to see if we can just avoid it in the first place. For example, perhaps you can avoid the construction area by taking a different route. It will be worthwhile even just add like 5 minutes to your day. If you absolutely cannot avoid it, such as a new construction building next door, or a major landscaping project that you're doing in your backyard, or road construction is just right outside your home, then you need to do the following. We have the set called the Ultimate Feng Shui set. It was a set that was designed to counter this most vicious negative energy that could come into your home or business. So if you notice your business is down or your home has a lot of bad thing going on all of a sudden, it could very well be related to the construction. First, we identify all the windows that can visibly see the construction site. Then we determine the facing direction of those windows, if there are any. If not, then just don't worry about it. Then we locate the main entrance of the home. If there are multiple, use the one with the most traffic. Same with businesses. Determine the facing direction of the entrance as well. Then we gather 5 items. These items has to belong to the 5 elements: water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. So for water, it could be just a glass of water, could be a plant with water in it, or something black if you couldn't place water. Wood would be just a dirt-based plant, or something green, or even a piece of wood. Check out this other plant video for more ideas. Fire item is anything that's red, such as the Chinese red pocket. They sell those in all Asian store or any kind of market. You should probably sell them too. Or just something like bright red you find at home. Earth item would be a white pebble or rock. You can find those in pet stores. Metal item could just be a copper coin. The American quarter or the €1 coin is great for this set. Or you can just use an old key that qualifies as a metal object as well. Make sure it's not plastic though. So there's 2 versions you can choose from for this set. We'll go for the first one first. First, we'll line them up in a straight line in the order of the 5 elements. So water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. The most important part of this version is knowing the facing direction. If the direction of the window or the door is south, we want to place the water item first, followed by metal, earth, fire, and wood. The idea is to have the fire element coming through the south entrance. So we'll use a strengthening water to push it out with the support by the 5 elements, which is why we call this the ultimate set. We're using all 5 elements to push it out. Generally, you just use one item on other sets, but this set particularly will use all 5 of them because of the viciousness of this negative energy from constructions. For the north entrance, we'll place the earth element first, followed by fire, wood, water, and metal. Same idea, but we use a different element as the first element. Then we just rearrange the line, but we don't mess up the orders. So for west and northwest direction, we'll place the fire element first, followed by wood, water, metal, and earth. East and southeast, we'll place the metal first, followed by earth, fire, wood, and water. For northeast and southwest, we'll place the wood first, followed by water, metal, earth, and fire. That's it for the first version. Now I mentioned there's two versions. The second version is recommended if your space is limited. For example, near the window, you might not have much room to place like a whole line of items. So the second version is designed for that. So instead of the single line, you place the 5 items in a ring in clockwise order with water, wood, fire, earth, and metal to complete the circle. When placing it this way, you don't have to figure out the direction of the entrance or the window, as the intent is to rather push out the negative energy. You're capturing and neutralizing the negative energy with the 5 element set. So to come in and then to go through the ring. I recommend this version for businesses instead, as you're converting the negative energy to positive one. It's actually great for business, banks, lottery places, casino. They do it all the time with these lion statues and a huge lobby to capture these negative energy and converting them to wealth for the business. Those are actually part of a bigger Feng Shui set they design in the layout, and that's probably how they capture all your money. You ever sat in a casino table, you feel like it's a giant dome like watching over you, like you feel very uncomfortable, but like you just can't help but give them your money. That's usually how casino works. And that's how you avoid the negative energy from constructions. If you made it to the video this far, consider subscribing, comment down below, and check out these videos if you haven't done so already. Next week we'll be talking about Feng Shui water set. Until next time!